Lincoln Premier Convertible 1957. Finished in classic flamingo pink with beautiful matching interior. This incredible motor car is fitted with nearly every available option, including factory air conditioning, electronic eye, power steering, power brakes, power top and much, much more. We are proud to offer this premier convertible to the most astute collector, investor or enthusiast who understands and appreciates the investment potential of this great American classic. Bid with confidence, you will not be disappointed in this truly magnificent motor car. History of the 1957 Lincoln Premier. For 1957, Lincoln wanted to maintain strong sales but believed it had to compete with the all-new Ford look from Chrysler. Thus, the 1957 Lincoln line sported a cantilevered tail fin. The tail fin became the most desired design element of the late 1950s. For Lincoln, 1957 models were the only year a true fin was to be offered. A little known fact is Lincoln actually wanted the fin over 2 inches higher. The designers, however, would not allow it. With original low production numbers and today's survival rate of these vehicles, the 1957 Lincoln Premier convertible should grow in value in the future. Very few correctly restored examples exist today. For 1957, the engine has been improved by a higher compression ratio providing 300 horsepower. Among new optional features are electric door locks, a 6-way power seat, power window vents and a directed power differential, which permits the car to move out of mud or snow easily. Fins flew higher than ever in 1957, and the 1957 Lincoln Premier had some of the tallest in Detroit, a literal big change from the low, handsomely sculpted rear fenders of 1956. The appendages might have been even higher, but cooler heads fortunately prevailed in the design studio. Classic Convertibles Image Gallery. The 1957 Lincoln Premier featured quadra lights, 7-inch headlamps above the others. See more pictures of classic convertibles. Otherwise, Lincoln's successful 56 formula was little changed for 57. The only other visual difference was quadra lights, conventional 7-inch headlamps above 5-inch road lamps. Under the hood, Lincoln's 368 cubic inch V8 gained higher compression and 15 horsepower for an even 300. The 1957 Lincoln Premier's 368 cubic inch V8 produced an even 300 horsepower.